So the task in hand first is to get the engine off of the subframe. So we need the compressor, the wind gun, stuff like that.
Around
At the bottom.
Where's this from?
Wait a minute. Look, they've put these little escutcheons so you can get to them. How about that?
Take some more weight.
Look. Take it on the jack.
Where's the bar?
Right, if you lift it from this side.
That goes to...
Here we go. Whoopsie-doodle. Yeah, just let this go now. That's fine. Right, now we can just leave that hanging like that and dismantle this a bit more.
There, take side arms.
So this one, take this one off, take this one off.
But do we need to do that? Can we not just cut the...
We cut the stays, cut those, cut them near to the track rod end. Oh, these are the giggles. Oh, you got them.
Volley ones.
Bowley.
Well, if you could take the connector off, well, you're only making it into a composite table, aren't you?
It's bleeding! Got the cutters this side. I've got this one to take off and all. Power steering.
Let's pull down.
Let me get the power steering up here.
It's going to screw up power steering. It might be empty. Yeah, it's probably empty.
We're going to need to get the kit there, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to have to get a lot of that. So that takes zero metric tons. That didn't see that.
Lovely. It's like so many different sizes.
America.
Where's the white, the grey? But like literally one side there, check it. Short of the right side socket for that. No. Took some different ones off them. Hopefully we'll get to it. arseholes, it probably made it different fucking size. Oh no! Is that coolant?
Yeah. I'm trying to get the thing off, but it's been a week.
These are under there, don't you?
That's what's ripping.
Have you cut that piece?
Yeah. It's at the ends right there.
It's like lever behind there.
Hang on.
What you want is a screwdriver underneath that or something. Cut it off now, stop the whole thing, just cut it off.
It's just rip off.
It won't rip off, because you've got to lever it away from that. Why's it ripping a hole in the shit?
A drink. I found the air.
Son of a gun. Oh, what's that?
I've got my Halfords tool set.
Where is the... Where did you find that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, we don't want to break too many people's shit today, do we?
Where's the tapper?
Where's the Allen key, what you were using before?
So it's been a busy day. We've got Rusty out of storage and took the engine off the back, dismantled that somewhat, just so it's easy to move around. We needed to get Rusty out in order that we can have the registration inspection done. So we can then progress with her later on. But she's going to live in the unit for a little while, and pretty soon we're going to be getting on with the GMC, but it's been a busy day. I hope you've enjoyed the video.